Hello Zenbees, missing me? Well, I hope you had absolute fun and joy throughout this month of October creating Zendalas with me. I had a total blast planning, preparing, recording, editing, and basically putting this whole project together for you. Thank you for your participation and thank you for playing along with me. Seeing all your lovely creations in the Facebook group Zenbees and on social media platforms was an absolute joy, and it was extremely inspiring and motivating. So when I started with this idea and with this plan of creating 31 days of Zendala, it was just that I had only planned for 31 days, and I had planned for putting all these videos away at the end of the month. But seeing your interest and your messages, I have given it a rethought. So relax, the videos are going to be here and they're not going to go anywhere, at least for some time soon. So it's going to be here, and I want you all to take your time, relax, and really enjoy this process and create your Zendala. Now on to what about next on this channel. So like I mentioned, these videos will be here for you to create them at your own pace, and I personally am also going to revisit these videos and create these Zendalas with a variation and with a twist of colors or some other additions. I've seen some lovely works of other Zenbees in the Facebook group Zenbees with lovely additions, and I can't wait to explore all of that. And I will be posting these projects on my Facebook page, which is Sandhya Manne Studio, or and on my Instagram, which is at Sandhya Manne. So you can follow me there and you can check out my other variations that I plan to do with this project. On the channel, I am going back to posting videos which will be in continuation of a string safari and focus flight series. Now these are smaller projects where we explore strings and tangles, and these are designed for quick instant zen. So do continue creating these along with your Zendalas. Some of you have sent me some wonderful ideas for future projects on this channel, and I have been looking into these ideas, and there are some ideas that can be built into a full-fledged project like this. So do check out this page. There is more fun projects coming your way. For those who wanted more of Zendala and wanted to go beyond these videos, I have put together this beautiful workshop which consists of 3 classes where we shall discover how to create your own Zendala string using the markers. We shall learn how to pick your tangles to work them around your Zendala, and we shall also learn how to enhance our Zendalas with colors and other add-ons. All the details about the workshop is listed in the link below. So do check out the link. I have limited spots, so sign up. We start like next week, next Sunday. So do sign up, and I will see you next on our string safari. Until then, remember to breathe and smile. See ya. Namaste.